시골 한적한 마을 외부와 단절된 채 아들 헨리와 단둘이 살고 있는 여자. 그녀의 이름은 아델.
It was just the two of us after my father left.
전 남편과 이혼 후 극심한 우울증과 외로움에 시달리며 정상적인 생활이 힘들었지만 그런 엄마를 위해 아빠의 빈자리를 채워주려 노력하는 헨리.
At the time, I was too young to understand the part of being husband for a day I was not equipped to carry out. I could feel her loneliness and longing before I had a name for it.
그러던 어느 날 아델은 장을 보기 위해 집을 나섰는데요.
Even if that meant only leaving the house once a month to pick up supplies at Price Mart.
그곳에서 헨리는 부상을 입고 도움을 요청하는 낯선 남자와 대면하는데
Wonder if you can give me a hand here.
그의 이름은 프랭크.
Mom, this is Frank. He needs our help.
He's kind enough to offer me a ride.
We have a big afternoon. I don't think we can help you.
꺼림칙한 마음에 엄마가 거절하자 갑자기 돌변하는 남자.
This needs to happen.
아들에게 위협이 될까 하는 수 없이 그의 말을 따르기로 하죠.
Where do you want to go?
Your house. Just for a few moments to rest my legs.
그렇게 집에 돌아오고
Nice place.
집안을 둘러보는 남자.
How'd you hurt your leg?
그는 자신의 정체를 솔직히 털어놓게 되고
At the prison, that's how I got out. I'd be grateful if you let me stay till nightfall. How far are the train tracks from your backyard?
20 minutes, maybe?
Make a run for it tonight, and I can stay out of your way until then.
아들 걱정에 마지못해 수락을 하게 되죠.
And I won't let anything happen to my son.
He's in good hands.
Frank Chambers, an inmate at Stinchfield Prison who escaped earlier this morning, especially an inmate serving 18 years for murder.
Didn't happen that way.
Isn't it against the law to hide a fugitive?
You got a wise son here, Adele. Still not acceptable to place you and your family here in jeopardy. If someone were to come by, it would need to look like I kidnapped you.
그는 혹시나 하는 마음에 그들에게 피해가지 않도록 아델을 인질처럼 보이고자 의자에 묻는 것을 제안하는데요. 허기를 달래기 위해 냉장고에 묵혀둔 음식으로 능숙하게 요리를 하며 스윗한 모습을 보이는 프랭크. 다음 날 그는 아침 일찍 일어나 손수 만든 빵을 아들과 함께 시식하는데
How'd you escape?
I told the guard at the hospital if he left, I was going to jump out the window. He heard that. He went to have a smoke. Nothing misleads people like the truth. How many brothers or sisters?
I've got a stepbrother and a half-sister.
How does a fellow let a woman like your mother get away?
He got together with his secretary.
Breakfast?
You have to try one.
그의 음식 솜씨에 깜짝 놀라는 아델. 이에 그치지 않고 그는 이곳에 머무는 동안 남자의 손길이 부족했던 집안일을 하나하나씩 도와주며
That day, Frank changed the oil in the car and replaced a fuse for the blinkers. He checked out the cord of firewood that just got delivered and informed my mom that the guy was shorting her.
헨리에게 야구도 가르쳐 주는데요.
Snap your wrist down like a whip.
오랜 시간 남편이 사랑을 잊어버린 채 아들에게만 의지하며 외롭게 살아온 아델. 그녀는 남자의 자상한 모습에서 마음을 열게 되죠.
You bite your lip when you sew.
Try not to stick you.
Did you get that scar?
Tapped myself right off the stage.
그 순간 이웃이 방문하자 당황을 한 프랭크. 헨리에게 강압적인 모습을 보이는데요.
Hi, Henry. I was looking for your mother.
She's taking a bath.
Oh, thought your mother might like him.
Thank you.
Look, Henry, I don't know if you've heard, but there's a guy. He's probably long gone by now, but if you have any problems, just give me a jingle.
You did good, Hank.
Henry, why don't you go check on Joe?
그런 그의 행동에서 아이가 상처받지 않을까 걱정을 하는 아델.
You can't do that again. My son is not your lookout.
Don't forget what's going on here.
Not for a second.
남자를 설득하게 되고
But not for that.
그런 그녀의 모습에 태도를 바꾸며
Okay, then.
미안한 마음으로 가족을 위해 무엇인가를 준비하는 프랭크.
It's a good peach. Now, the filling is easy. What I want to talk about is crust. Mix it up. You make all kinds of mistakes, but don't forget the salt. Now mix it up. Take that knife. And it's all about instinct. You want it right on the verge of crumbling at any moment. Heel of the hand.
너무나도 행복하게만 보이는 화목한 가정의 모습.
Make a little mountain out of it. Okay, moment of truth. Can't go too fast. Can't hesitate.
그렇게 완성된 복숭아 파이. 마침내 남자가 떠날 시간이 다가오고
I should go. As good a window as I'm gonna get.
그를 붙잡는 여자.
You should stay.
그리고 헨리의 요청.
You should probably let your stitches heal.
남자는 몸이 나을 때까지만 며칠 더 묵기로 결심하죠. 그날 저녁. 다음 날 잠에서 깨어난 헨리. 마당에서 서성이는 프랭크를 보게 되는데
The next day, Frank fixed the loose floorboard on the stairs.
Wait to learn to fix it. Especially if you got a lady in the seat beside you when it happens.
아델은 감사의 표현으로 그에게 춤을 가르쳐주고
For lunch, Frank thought it only right that we fire up the barbecue.
남자는 또다시 멋진 요리로 이에 보답합니다.
Yes, I mean, he's only up in someone's house where they're supposed to cool down.
Henry, how's your mother?
She's doing great.
Henry, this is a man's razor. Your mom wants one of the pink ones on aisle 7. All
It's for me.
right, just do me a favor and keep the cap on, okay?
집에 돌아온 헨리. 실수로 그만 문을 열어놓고 들어오는데요. 그 순간
Adele?
갑자기 이웃집 여성이 방문하고
Where's your mom?
Let me go.
I need you to watch Barry.
Right, I have to go. My dad is in the hospital. Yeah, so I need somebody to watch Barry.
I really want to help. Just
I don't have any other options. Please.
아델은 마지못해 아이를 봐주기로 합니다.
get you inside.
난처한 상황에서도 자상스럽게 상황을 받아들이는 남자.
Well, you got here just in time. We needed a third baseman. That up. Shoulders forward. Jump. There we go.
Thing was, when Frank threw the ball, I hit it.
그렇게 모두가 즐거워하며
There you go.
No, I can't do this.
Yeah, you can.
행복한 시간을 보내는데
There you go.
Tonight at 11, more on escaped convict Frank Chambers from a murderer on the run and where he might be hiding.
Okay, Barry. Like your mother's here. Hi.
Hi.
A convicted murderer.
Wow.
Frank Chambers
Wow.
Yes, I know. We're going.
Wait.
Labor Day
Wait.
quiet
Stop it.
during long weekend weather.
그날 저녁 헨리는 엄마와 프랭크가 나누는 이야기를 우연히 듣게 됩니다.
I can't imagine you not being free.
I can't call myself free until I can walk down the street, arm around you, take you on road trips to places we don't know a soul.
그들은 서로 사랑을 느끼고 이곳을 떠나 함께 살기로 결정한 곳. 헨리는 엄마가 자신만 남겨두고 떠날 것이라 생각하고 두려움에 걱정하지만 다음 날
There's something we wanted to talk to you about. I didn't think I would care about anyone else besides you. We're thinking Canada might be a good place to start over.
Canada?
We've decided to go together.
Will I ever see you again?
We're all going.
이는 곧 오해였다는 것을 깨닫게 되고 안도를 하게 되죠. 그렇게 그들은 짐을 싸기 시작하고 갑자기 자리를 비우는 헨리. 앞으로 아빠를 볼 수 없을 거라는 생각에 편지로 작별 인사를 대신하고 집에 돌아오는 길.
Morning, son. You want to tell me where you're going?
I'm just walking. Heading home.
탈주범의 위협 속에 학교도 안 가고 혼자 돌아다니는 헨리를 보며 걱정을 하는 경찰.
Well, hop in.
I'm really fine.
You're not gonna make me arrest you now. School starts today, doesn't it?
I left something at my dad's house.
아이를 집까지 데려다 주는데요.
Thank you for the ride.
What does he want?
Found him by the side of the road.
Thank you for bringing him home.
You taking a road trip?
Just taking some old things to sell on consignment.
그들이 짐을 정리하는 모습을 보고 이상하게 생각하지만
Thank you for your help.
Pleasure.
다행히도 무사히 넘어갑니다.
Have a good day, man.
불안감을 느낀 프랭크는 한시라도 이곳을 빠져나가려 서두르고
We have to get out of here now. Take Henry to the bank. I'll finish up here.
아들은 아이와 함께 현금을 모두 찾으려 은행에 방문하는데요.
Hey, Henry.
이 시각
Adele?
남자가 혼자 있는 집에 또다시 이웃집 여성이 방문하고
Be right back.
And you would like this all in cash?
예금 전액을 현금으로 인출하는 것에 수상함을 느낀 직원. 그리고
Are you a friend?
Just a handyman.
외부와 단절된 채 살아가는 아델의 집에 낯선 남자가 있는 것을 보고 당황한 여성.
Hi, Adele.
Hi.
I just wanted to make sure you aren't experiencing any problems. It's just a somewhat unusual situation for us, having a person withdraw this much in cash.
Yeah.
Some would even call a withdrawal like this a little suspicious.
Actually, we've packed up all the things. We're emptying our bank account and then gonna make a run for the border. You know, like Bonnie and Clyde.
Of course you are.
다행히도
Well, come on, Muriel. Let's not keep our friends here waiting.
헨리의 제치로 무사히 위기를 넘기고 집에 돌아오지만
Henry's father called and left a message.
헨리가 아빠에게 남긴 작별 편지 때문에 모두들 당황하고 서둘러 이곳을 빠져나가려는 찰나 사이렌 소리가 들리고 아들을 꼭 안아주는 프랭크.
We have to get you out of here.
모든 것을 체념한 듯 사랑하는 사람들에게 더 이상 피해는 주지 않으려 그들을 인질처럼 위장시키고
You're a fine boy, Henry. Anybody who says otherwise is not worth your time. I'd take 20 more years just to have another 3 days with you.
그는 마지막 인사를 하며 경찰에 체포됩니다.
Don't be scared, son. Your mom will be fine.
그가 떠나는 것을 지켜만 볼 수밖에 없었던 아델.
They charged him with kidnapping. When my mother heard, she drove to see the prosecutor with me as a witness, to make him understand that no unlawful detainment had taken place.
프랭크를 도우려 노력하지만
Harboring a fugitive is a major crime we don't look lightly upon. You could lose custody of your son.
이마저도 쉽지 않고
They gave Frank 10 years for the escape and 15 for the kidnapping. She wrote to Frank, sometimes daily, but received no response.
아델은 그를 잊지 못하고 정상적인 생활이 불가능했기에 헨리의 양육권을 남편에게 넘기고 또다시 예전의 그 생활 혼자였을 때로 돌아가게 되죠. 그렇게 시간이 흐르고 고등학생이 된 헨리.
For the first time, I had someone to call a girlfriend.
여자친구 앞에서는 듬직한 모습으로 학교 생활 또한 건강하게 이어나가고 어느 날
There's something I've been meaning to talk to you about. Everybody talks about all this crazy, wild passion. Your mother was like that. She was in love with love. She was a terrific woman. So beautiful. A better man might have stayed around and helped her through all that sadness, but I couldn't bear it. I just wanted a regular life. I don't know what these last few years have done to repair, but I'm sorry I cut out on you.
헨리는 아빠에게서 엄마에 관한 이야기를 듣고 남은 고등학교 생활을 엄마와 함께 보내기로 결심하죠.
That I first tried my hand at baking.
그리고 엄마를 위해 요리를 해주는데요. 어렸을 적 프랭크가 만들어준 복숭아 파이. 세월이 지나 성인이 된 헨리는 복숭아 파이 전문점을 오픈하며 잡지에 실릴만큼 유명세를 타게 되자 편지 한 통을 받게 되는데 글을 읽어나가는 헨리의 모습과 함께 이렇게 영화는 끝이 납니다.
Dear Henry, I hope you will remember me. We once spent Labor Day weekend together, 5 of the best days of my life. I had always wondered who you would become and what you would look like. And then, one day, I came across a familiar-looking pie. I will understand if you choose not to respond to this letter. However, I am due to be released shortly, and I'd like to live much the same way we discussed that weekend, back when we thought we'd be a family. Most likely, your mother has remarried by now, but on the off chance that she might be alone, I wanted to ask you whether I might write her a letter.
I wrote him back that day to say it wouldn't be difficult to locate my mother. She lived at the same address. I spent half of my life worrying my mother wouldn't be able to go out into the world on her own. But as it turned out, she wouldn't have to.